Researchers at the University of Portsmouth studied 28 baby chimpanzees, revealing a surprising similarity. Like human infants, these young chimps use noises to communicate. The study suggests parallels between their vocalization and those of human babies, hinting at shared communication traits. This discovery unveils intriguing connections and offers insights into primate communication and human evolution. Another recent study from Dartmouth College suggests that human shoulder rotation and elbow extension may have evolved as a natural braking system. These movements, crucial for reaching high places and throwing objects, might have helped early humans descend from trees safely, preventing fatal falls.